We're starting a new series called One Pot Meals. First up is this chicken, sausage, and tortellini in a Chipotle cream sauce. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
The first thing we're going to do is in a blender cup add 2 chipotle peppers along with 2 teaspoons of the adobo. We're also going to add a 1/4 cup of tomato sauce and a little bit of chicken stock just to make sure everything purees smoothly. Then place the lid, puree, and hold for later. Okay, now we're going to saute some chicken breast that I simply seasoned with some achiote, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, and sage. We're just going to add that to the pan. Then we're going to remove that from the pan. Going to add just a little bit more oil and then quickly add our onions. These are onions that I simply sliced. You can dice them as well, but I chose to slice them. And that achiote is giving off that beautiful orange color, seasoned with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I'm going to add a teaspoon of minced garlic, as well as some sofrito. This is sofrito rojo by Loisa. To that, we're going to add some smoked sausage. Now you can use Italian sausage, you can use chorizo. I just wanted to use some smoked sausage here. Then we'll add that chicken that's been diced back to the pot. We're going to hit this with some chicken stock. And I want that chicken stock because now I'm going to add tortellini. I'm using frozen tortellini, but you can use fresh. We're just going to nestle that in and let that tortellini cook through in that chicken stock, as well as getting all the flavor from the sausage and the chicken and the onions and the garlic sofrito. I'm also going to add that chipotle puree because I want those chipotle chilies to cook and mellow out in this sauce. Fabulous. Okay, as the sauce begins to reduce, the only thing I want to add now is a little bit of heavy cream. Okay, here we have chicken and sausage tortellini in a Chipotle cream sauce. Oh, mama. Then we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan and then a little bit of cilantro or parsley. And there you have it. Chicken and sausage and tortellini in a Chipotle cream sauce. If you like this video, click the recipe tab in the video description, which will take you to our recipe page on Provecho, where you'll get a printer-ready format of the recipe that links directly to Instacart, so you can shop for all the ingredients instantly. You can also follow along with the video as you make something sabroso.
Todo queda sabroso.